Live to regret it. Understanding the power of choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, live to regret it. This expression is packed with emotion and consequence, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's break it down together and see what it truly means to live to regret something. At its core, live to regret it is a phrase used to warn someone that they will eventually feel remorse or regret for a specific action or decision. The regret comes after the fact, often when it's too late to change the decision. This expression implies a strong sense of inevitability, that the regret is not just possible, but certain. It's often used to caution someone against making a hasty decision that seems appealing at the moment but will lead to negative consequences in the future. To help you understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. If you quit school now, you're going to live to regret it. This implies that quitting school may seem like a good idea now, but in the long term, it will lead to regret due to missed opportunities or challenges in finding a good job. She told him he would live to regret not taking the job offer, and she was right. Here, the phrase is used to reflect on a past decision that resulted in regret. These examples show how the phrase can serve as a warning or a reflection on past choices that led to regret. Understanding the phrase, live to regret it, is important for several reasons. Cultural insight. It offers a glimpse into how English speakers convey warnings about future regret. Emotional depth. It helps learners appreciate the emotional weight that can be carried in seemingly simple phrases. Communication skills. Knowing how to use this expression can enhance your ability to express caution or concern for someone's future decisions in English. When using live to regret it, timing and context are key. It's most effective when you genuinely believe that the action or decision in question will lead to negative outcomes. Here's how you can use it. To offer advice. When you see someone about to make a decision you believe they'll regret. Reflecting on past decisions. When discussing past actions that ended up being regrettable. Remember, it's a powerful phrase that should be used sparingly and with genuine concern for the other person's well-being. We hope this exploration of live to regret it has been enlightening and will help you navigate the complexities of English with greater ease. Understanding such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your ability to express nuanced emotions and advice. Until next time, keep learning and never fear making mistakes. They're just another step on your journey to mastery. See you in the next video.